Hey, it's Ryan with SMB. We're sitting in a 26 F450 today, but this process is going to be the same on all 23 and up Super Duties. I want to show you how to recalibrate the tire size once you put on one of our suspension kits, adjust the TPMS placard so we can drop the tire pressure below the factory 60 PSI. We're also going to recalibrate the image processing control module for the cameras, as well as do the adjustment for the radar cruise so that there's no faults in our dash when we're driving with adaptive cruise after installing this kit. So all we're going to need today is a laptop with Forscan, a OBD adapter. I like the OBD Link MX ones. I've got it plugged in down there. And then we're going to need a tape measure, and I'll show you why, to measure our wheel arch height from the ground to the top of the wheel arch. So I've got Forscan loaded here. Ford's going to ask for the wheel height, left and right side, and what that's going to be is the height from the ground to the center of the wheel arch here without scratching the wheels. And we're going to convert this to millimeters. So this is about 48.25 on the driver's side. And about 48.5 on the passenger side. And so I will put those numbers in when I'll show you here on the computer for our wheel arch numbers. So here we are in the truck and we are in Forscan. Let's see, we're connected, got our VIN and everything up here. I highly recommend saving the file before you start making any changes, just in case you mess anything up. We're gonna start we'll click the chip button here and go down to the body control module, BDCM, click play, key on, engine off. This is gonna load up. We're gonna filter for tire. Max size you're able to do on these trucks without throwing a code is 27.99. This is gonna be pretty close to like a 37 inch tire. It's can't go any bigger, so that's what we're gonna run with. We're gonna write this value, let it go to 100%. We're gonna cycle the ignition over here, off, back on, and then we will click OK, and we will click the stop button. So next, if we were to start the truck right now, we're going to have a code for the tire size issue. So we already stopped this module. We'll go back to configuration programming. We're going to go to PCM module initialization, relearn from central configuration. It's going to relearn the PCM module with that new saved tire size value. We're going to do this. We're going to click OK. And we're just going to wait here and follow the instructions. Ignition off. We're going to click OK. We're going to wait our 30 seconds. So after turning the key off, this wrote successfully. We're going to go back to the configuration and programming, and then we will find the next relearn. So the next one we're going to do is the TCM module initialization, relearn from central configuration. We're going to run this, okay, and we're going to sit here, wait till it tells us to cycle the key. Some of these won't take, and if they don't take, try it with the key off. We're going to hit key off, okay, let it finish. So when you start, if it errors out initially and you have the key on, just try key off, or vice versa. Sometimes they're a little finicky on whether it will take the initialization or not. So we're going to give this the rest of the 30 seconds here. And key on, click OK. That one's done. Back to configuration and programming, on to the next step. Next up, we're going to relearn the all-wheel drive module with the new tire size. Hit play, key on again, okay. We're gonna let this one run. Ignition off, okay. Ignition on. Okay, done. Next step, back to configuration and programming. This next step's only gonna apply to you if you have adaptive cruise. So we're gonna go in to the CCM cruise control module configuration, play. We're going to change our automatic alignment offset to 0. Check, right, old value, new value, looks good. Let this finish up, cycle ignition off. Ignition on, okay. And then we will exit out of this module. Next up, we are going to work on the image processing module. This is for the cameras, for the lane centering. So this is where we measured the truck. I'll show you how to do that right now. Once that truck's measured, we're going to convert that height to millimeters. And then we're going to search left. Wheel arch height 1067. Mine is going to be 1228. And then we're going to go right. $12.28. So make sure that's in there. Double check our left number. Still $12.28. We're good. We're going to write this 1067, $12.28, 1067, $12.28. Check. Cycle ignition off and on. And we're going to stop this module. And if you want to do the TPMS at the same time, that's also going to be in the body control module. We'll go back in there. We should have done this when we did the tire circumference. So right now we're in a 450. We're at 90 and 80. And if you want to drop these down, you drop them right here. And you can also disable it. So on the 250 trucks, we'll run them at 40. You can go lower. I think there's a threshold where it starts to throw a fault. But final step is to clear any codes that are in the truck. So we're going to go over here and let this read real quick. So we click the triangle for D to C. It's going to read. I think I'm still in here. I need to get out of this module. Then we can go over here. We're going to clear them all by resetting the entire, all the DTC or DTCs, which are just the trouble codes, which should clear any pending P0160A, which is the wheel speed or wheel size code. So we'll fire it up now and make sure we don't have a check engine light, which we do not. And then for the last part of this, we're going to move over to the radio and we're going to change the driver assistant features, and I will show you what to do here. So this one's already set up right. We want adaptive cruise on, lane centering on, predictive speed assist off. That's all going to be in the cruise control system here.